In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer in CapCut PC. If you want to place a working stopwatch, a countdown clock, or a timed challenge overlay on top of your video, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. The goal is to place the timer above your main footage, remove its background, and then resize and position it so it looks clean and professional on screen. To get started, make sure you already have a timer overlay video clip ready to use. A clean overlay works best here, especially one with either a green screen background or a solid black background. Once you have that clip prepared, go down to your timeline area in CapCut, import the timer video and drag it onto the upper track, specifically track 2, directly above your main footage. Placing it on the higher track is important because that allows the timer to appear on top of the video underneath it. At this point, you'll probably notice that the timer clip is covering the entire screen, including the content you actually want people to see. That's completely normal. To make the background transparent, click once on the timer clip in track 2 so it's selected, then move to the Properties panel in the top right area of the screen. Under the Video tab, open the Basic section and look for the Blend settings. In the Mode drop-down, change the setting from Normal to Screen. As soon as you do that, the dark background disappears and the timer itself stays visible as a transparent overlay. This is the key step that makes the effect work. Now that the timer is transparent, the next step is to move it out of the way so it doesn't block important parts of your video. In that same Properties panel, look just below the Blend settings and find the Scale control. Reduce the scale to around 50% so the timer becomes smaller and less intrusive. After that, adjust the position more precisely by typing values directly into the position fields. Set position X to 800 and position Y to 450. Entering the values manually gives you cleaner placement than dragging with the mouse, and it helps keep the timer neatly aligned in the upper right corner. Once that's done, your timer overlay is fully integrated into the project. You've placed it on a separate track, removed the background using blend mode, and customized the size and position so it fits naturally over your footage.